Dear students, as we were discussing about the commerce and functions of commerce, on my last video I had discussed the two functions of commerce, that was helps in removing the hindrance of persons, second helps in removing the hindrance of place. Today we are going to discuss third functions of commerce, that is helps in removing the hindrance of time. Dear students, we know that there are some goods which are produced in a particular season, but they are consumed throughout the year. Like we take examples, wheat, rice, pulses. These are produced in a particular seasons, but these goods, as I told you, wheat, rice and pulses, are consumed throughout the year. The question is before us, for the year consumption purpose, how can we save these wheat, rice and pulses? Because these goods need to be kept safe and fresh during this time gap. There is a segment of commerce which we call warehousing. It helps us in removing the problem of time gap. Fourth functions of commerce that we are going to discuss, that is helps in removing the hindrance of exchange. The goods and services produced by manufacturer are sold to buyer. Sold to buyer means producer or shopkeeper sells the goods to the buyer, and in return he gets money from the buyer. This is the exchange of money. We all know that the common medium of exchange is circulated, is introduced by the banking branch of commerce. जो एक्सचेंज होता है, हम शॉपकीपर से या प्रोड्यूसर से गुड्स को परचेज करते हैं और इन रिटर्न उसे हम मनी देते हैं, पैसा देते हैं. इसका इंट्रोडक्शन कहाँ से हुआ, इंट्रोड्यूस कौन किया? कॉमर्स की एक पार्ट है, एक ब्रांच है, एक सेगमेंट है बैंकिंग सेक्टर्स. बैंकिंग सेक्टर ने ये कॉमन मीडियम ऑफ एक्सचेंज को इंट्रोड्यूस किया. Next is helps in removing hindrance of risk. As we all know, there are different types of risks occurs in the business and a businessman has to face. To save the business, to save the products from theft, it requires to have an insurance. Insurance is the next branch of commerce that helps to remove the problem of risk by providing protection and compensation to the insured. Dear students, insured means who have taken the insurance policy. हम सभी जानते हैं कि बिजनेस में रिस्क होता है और प्रत्येक बिजनेसमैन को इस रिस्क को फेस करना पड़ता है. इस रिस्क के कंपनसेशन के लिए, उसकी क्षति जो नुकसान हुआ है उसकी पूर्ति के लिए हम बीमा करवाते हैं. इंश्योरेंस, ये इंश्योरेंस कॉमर्स की एक ब्रांच है जो बिजनेसमैन की रिस्क की प्रॉब्लम को दूर करता है। नेक्स्ट है हमारा लास्ट, हेल्प्स इन रिमूविंग द हिंड्रेंस ऑफ नॉलेज। एज वी नो द कंज्यूमर एंड बायर आर अनअवेयर to each other, unaware to each other. The consumer don't know about the producers and the producer don't know about the consumers. Both are different. There is no direct communication between the manufacturer and the consumers. What the producers or manufacturer have produced, no consumer knows it. No one consumer knows it. The advertisement branch of commerce. The next branch of commerce is advertisements. This helps to consumers to provide the information regarding the products or goods that have been produced by the producers. This advertisements branch of commerce gives knowledge about the products to the spreading consumers